Hey there, YouTube. We got another storm coming in. I'll show you because I gotta get going. It is windy. Earlier there was dust everywhere. I'll show you. Imagine dust. See when the vehicle took off? Dust just flying. Well, I gotta get going. Wish me luck. Although I don't need luck. Oh, I got tons of it. Well, see my hair blowing everywhere? That's how strong it is. Even she can agree. That's my mom. I take care of her. I love her all the same. Where we live at, I consider it my home. Yeah, it's windy. I hope it doesn't, hectic once again. Anyway, well, I better get going. Well, see ya, goodbye.